A powerful attorney, a respected family name, a murder conviction that shocked America. But what if the killings were only part of a much larger story? Even after being found guilty of murdering his wife Maggie and son Paul, Alex Murdaugh's legal nightmare was far from over, because hidden behind the headlines was a trail of missing millions, betrayed clients, and a web of deception that investigators were still unraveling. And the deeper they looked, the darker the story became. For generations, the Murdaugh family held extraordinary influence in South Carolina. Their name carried power in courtrooms, law enforcement circles, and local politics. Alex Murdaugh appeared to have everything: a successful legal career, a wealthy lifestyle, and a respected reputation. But in 2021, everything began to collapse. The murders of Maggie and Paul Murdaugh launched one of the most publicized criminal investigations in recent American history. Yet, as detectives dug deeper, they discovered something unexpected. The murders were only one chapter in a much larger scandal. Long before the murder trial reached a jury, allegations of financial misconduct had already begun to surface. Investigators uncovered evidence suggesting that Alex Murdaugh had been stealing money for years. According to prosecutors, he diverted settlement funds, misappropriated client money, and used elaborate schemes to conceal millions of dollars. Many of the alleged victims were people who trusted him during some of the most difficult moments of their lives: injury victims, families seeking justice, and clients who believed their attorney was protecting their interests. Instead, authorities claimed he was secretly enriching himself. As financial records were examined, the scope of the alleged fraud continued to expand. What initially appeared to be isolated incidents soon looked like a systematic pattern. The revelation sent shockwaves across South Carolina. For decades, the Murdaugh family had been viewed as one of the most influential legal dynasties in the region. Now that legacy was rapidly unraveling. Court filings, investigations, and witness testimony painted a picture of a man struggling to maintain a lavish lifestyle while hiding mounting financial problems. Prosecutors argued that deception had become routine, and every new investigation uncovered more unanswered questions. How much money was taken? Who else knew? And how long had the alleged schemes been operating? Even after receiving life sentences for the murders of Maggie and Paul, Alex Murdaugh continued facing additional legal battles. Federal prosecutors pursued extensive financial crime charges. State authorities also continued investigating numerous allegations connected to fraud and theft. In court, prosecutors described complex schemes involving stolen funds, fake accounts, and financial manipulation. One case after another revealed new details about how money allegedly moved through the system. For victims, the proceedings were about more than financial losses. They wanted accountability and the answers. The Alex Murdaugh case has become one of the most extraordinary crime stories in modern American history. Not only because of the murders, but because of what investigators uncovered afterward: a respected attorney, a powerful family, and a collapse so dramatic that it exposed years of alleged wrongdoing. Even now, questions remain. Could the full truth ever be known? Were all the victims identified? And how did one of South Carolina's most prominent legal figures become the center of such a staggering scandal? The murder convictions may have closed one chapter, but the financial investigations revealed a story far bigger than anyone first imagined. A story of power, greed, trust, and betrayal. And for many observers, the most chilling question remains: was Alex Murdaugh's downfall sudden, or had it been building for years, hidden in plain sight? Please do comment and subscribe.